This is the checking video of Abdullah Dough Kneader latest model AE390 being checked for Daraz order on 13th March 2024. This is the shipping label. The machine is okay from all the sides. जल्दबाजी में नहीं करना है यार, आराम से। You can see from the bottom also there are no damages. And now we will start it and check it. It has a metal blade, a plastic blade, a measuring flask. Machine will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. We then pack it in its genuine carton, which has a thermopore at the bottom, a thermopore at the top. This is the instruction manual, and then we apply the fragile stickers, pack it in brown sheet, and then finally bubble wrap for safe packaging. The machine has automatically stopped as the timer has come to the off position, and it is okay.